Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to check old chat messages on Facebook. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Whether you want to revisit an old conversation or find messages from a specific time period, there are a couple of easy ways to do it. The quickest method is opening the Messenger app and scrolling through your conversations until you find the chat you're looking for. You can also use the search bar at the top of Messenger and type the person's name to find a specific conversation faster. But if you want to access much older messages or download messages from a certain date range, there's another method. Open Facebook and tap the menu button at the top left, then tap the Settings and Privacy option, and then choose Settings from the menu. Then tap on Account Center at the top. Once you're there, find the section called Your Information and Permissions. Open it and tap Export Your Information. Next, choose Create Export and select the Facebook account you want to use. After that, choose whether you want to export the data to your device or another destination. You'll now see options to customize the export. First, go this section and make sure Messages is selected. Then go back and select a date range of the messages you want. Then, save your selection and tap Start Export. Simply enter your password and Facebook will begin preparing your data, including your old chat history. Once the file is ready, you'll receive access to download it and review your older conversations. And that's it! So that's basically how you can check old chat messages on Facebook. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.